Yeah, hi. Am I speaking to Liam?
Yeah, this is Liam. Who's this?
Hi, Liam. Sarah here. I am calling from Lightspeed Investment on a recorded line. You recently tried to buy a mutual fund plan of
Oh,
Fidelity.
yeah. I wanted to understand a few things before I pump in money. I am not from a finance background?
Oh, sure. Exactly the reason why I am calling you. Please let me know how can I assist you in understanding the fund
Yeah,
or
so I wanted to buy a mid-cap fund with a lower risk and like decent returns. And I thought Fidelity and the other one, the Axel Blue Chip, would be better, but I have no clue which is less risky.
got it. And is this your first investment in mutual funds or you
Yeah, this is my first stab, and someone told me mid-caps are the best? Low risk and good returns and stuff.
All right. Mid-cap funds are great to kickstart your investment journey, and I see you have recently opened an account with.
Yeah, a friend of mine recommended this app and I signed up, but I couldn't really subscribe yet.
I totally understand. Investments can be overwhelming sometimes, especially with all those performance indicators and numbers.
Exactly. Man, I don't understand half of it, let alone comparing two funds.
All right, let's get the ball rolling. How can I help you understand these terms better?
Okay, so which number should I basically assess a fund?
Fund performance depends upon a lot of factors, but the few most popular indicators are alpha, beta,
You're
and
already using Greek. What do these indicators mean?
okay, let me break it down. Alpha measures how much a fund's returns exceed or fall short of its benchmark index, and beta measures the fund's relative volatility compared to the
So
market.
basically, they should be on the higher side or on the lower side.
A higher alpha is generally better, and a higher beta may be preferred by investors in growth stocks. But investors seeking lower risk and steady returns may prefer a lower beta. For example, a beta of 1 means the fund's performance will track the benchmark index, while a beta of 2 means the fund will perform twice as well as.
Okay, and what is ROCE exactly? I see that a lot in fund pages.
Think of return on capital employed as an indicator of a company's earning for every dollar invested in the long term. It's basically a sign on how good the company is managing their
Okay,
investments.
so that should be higher, right?
Exactly. This indicator should be on the higher side when looking for portfolio companies.
Okay, and what is value investing? I hear a lot of my friends talking about value investing.
Okay, so every fund has a portfolio of companies that they invest in. And if the fundamentals of these companies are strong and the valuation ratios are less than industry average, we call these portfolio companies undervalued, as they have higher potential and are currently underestimated by the market. If
Okay, so basically these companies have strong chances to grow, right?
Exactly, investing in these companies may result better return on investments and.
Hang on. Which fund has better ROCE than Fidelity or Axel?
Axel Midcap has about 22% ROCE, and Fidelity has about 18% ROCE. So ideally,
Got it. So Axel wins there. And what about risk? Which fund has higher risk?
the Axel Find has a beta of about 0.78 compared to Fidelity beta, which is about 1.33. This means
Okay, Axel wins there too. What about return on investment?
the Axel Fund has 5.79% investment in debt, of which 5.79% in government securities, and its annualized returns are about 48% compared to Fidelity, which gives 55% year on year. But
All
this,
right, I get it. High risk, high reward stuff. I think I will go with the Axel fund. How do I get started?
okay, you can invest a certain amount on a quarterly, yearly, or monthly basis,
All
and
right, and what's the least that I can invest?
you can start as low as $500, and there is no upper limit.
All right, I'll start with $500 then. Monthly would be ideal.
Okay, before I proceed for subscription, I would need you to confirm a few details. I hope that's fine with you.
Sure, go ahead.
Could you please confirm your email address, full name, and zip code?
Yeah, my email is liam.24@yopmail.com, and my zip code is 91049.
Got it, and your full name, please?
Yeah, Liam Trout.
Got it. To validate your identity, we would be sending a one-time passkey to your email address. Could you please help us?
Sure.
Sending it now.
Hang on. Yeah, it's 233412.
Got it. Thanks for the confirmation, Liam. I can see you have a saved payment method, which is an American Express card ending with
Yeah,
44.
you can use that.
Okay, one last thing, Liam. Before I subscribe, I am required to read a few mandatory fund-related awareness pointers. I hope you are okay
Oh,
with...
sure, go ahead.
Okay, mutual funds are subject to market risk. This means that the value of your mutual fund investments can fluctuate based on market conditions, and there is no guarantee of positive returns. Being market-linked instruments that invest in a variety of securities, such as stocks, bonds, and money market instruments, the value of a mutual fund's investments can be affected by many factors,
Hang
including...
on, can you just email me all of these?
Sure, I will do that. Also, I will forward you the policy-related documents, receipts, and a basic Getting Started with Mutual Fund ebook to make things easy for...
Great, listen, I gotta rush. I have to pick up my daughter from school, but thanks for this.
No worries, Liam. Have a great day.
Yeah, you too.